I'm up at my job. We got a new reroute that takes effect in a couple weeks. So I'm up here putting stuff in order. Today's the last day to turn this in. If not, we gotta wait till after everything's set in stone to make any changes. So I want to do this to make this more efficient for me. Move stops by each other that's on different days, put them on the same day. So that's what I'm doing. It's Monday through Friday. I got Tuesday done. I got Friday done. I just got the other 3 days to kind of put in order, sort out. So that's what I'm doing now. Tahoe. Guy over in service said that their general manager can take some money off the repair that I need. I think he said the cooling hose says like about 6 foot long or something like that. Because at first I'm like, I do it myself. But with them taking money off, I told them go ahead and do that. My salesman called me back and said with it being past 90 days, they can't take the vehicle back. Then he said another option was for me to trade it back in, try to get something similar with the same payments, but said that's most likely not gonna happen. Then he said that they would try their best to help me out over there in service with the repair costs and stuff. So I told him go ahead with the repair. Yeah, he said he'll text me once the vehicle's ready, and yes, it's just waiting game now. But I do still want to hook up the sound system in this rental. Hit up one of my buddies who got a sound system already in their car, and just hook up one of my speakers in a box in here, and just run the speaker wire over to their amp inside their car and just get a feel. But yeah, that's about it. I'll keep y'all posted on more updates, but so I can stop leaning. So the sub. Ooh, Chile. So this out of here. Get the screws, put this in there. So this, so that. Get this out the way. Keep these boxes. Got the fall. She's there. That's trash. You go over there. You go over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two with me and have them cut them up because they blown anyway. Get them stiff. Hear that? And see if that's the same voice core. They are. Hit the guy that wanted to buy them before. See if he still wants them. If not, I'll buy a recon and have Cody recon these. So let me get dressed, go load this up, and sell it, load those up. So. Oh, it feels good out here. And it stopped raining. It's a chai in there. Alright, made some room. Push the sundowns back. Let's see this box right there. I can scoot you over. Turn you sideways. It's IT, get over. You can go over. So next is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a ZDX. That's a Godfather. This is my VFL Comp 12K. I don't know what that was. 3 level 5 DCs. This X Max. This works. This still works. It's just the dust cone is cracked. 1, 2, 3, 4 work. This still works. It's just this rattle's ripped. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Somebody. Oh, that was him. Yeah, he lives by the casino. Try my best not to go in that casino. Let me get his address pulled up on how to get there. My charger. So, hit the road. And there's the casino I always go to. Haven't been in a while. 7 minutes from his house. No, I got all 3 subs loaded. He's gonna rip those apart and see if they're the same voice coil. And I go from there on getting a recon for him, and that's about it. So I'm 7 minutes away. I'll catch him when I get there. Now this is one town that I obey the speed limit. They do not play out here at all. So I'm pulling up to his house now. Nice recon. This thing was 8 up.
Yeah, this one's got a smaller center pole, so they're not the same.
Give me something to eat. So, let me back out this driveway. So we got him out. Wish I could see. We took the XFL and put it in this Genesis and see if it'll fit. It'll fit. We measured the coil and it's the same. So what I'm gonna do is try to order a XFL from Bob from American Base and see if it'll fit in there without rubbing or anything. If it does, then I'm gonna go ahead and order another one. So I'm gonna give good old Bob a call and get a price on one and get one ordered, and I just go from there. But the Resilient Sound Platinum, it's sold. Something he's gonna do with it is recon it and post it up for sale. With him, got the reputation of recoding subs, so he can sell it a lot quicker than what I would. So I'll just let him get it for a good price, and let's go from there. So I'm messing around with the cruise control. Man, he's going after somebody. So I was going underneath the speed limit. He's going after somebody. But this car can drive itself. Let me see if I can get it set up. There we go. My hands is off the wheel. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. It's always something. Got back from getting my hair braided. Where'd it go? I got this damn thing in my damn tire. I'm gonna get it in the garage before it goes flat. You can call the dealership before they close in a few minutes. Oop, wrong button. One pedal. Let me get this sucker in the garage. There it is right there. Just going down slow, so probably just take it off and take it to a tire shop and have them plug it. It's probably so thick now. I got the subs out. Get this car up before I take it back. That's it. Loud. Alright, so I don't got that much time. I hurry up and drive this to a tire place. I put air in it, so I'm gonna go put some shoes and clothes on, come back, put some more air in it, and take off. And go get this plug. Turn it on in a minute so I can build back air pressure. But I called this number. That's roadside. So I'm gonna cancel that. I called rental place. They said the dealership's covering the daily rate on it. So if anything happens to it, tire, anything, I'm responsible. So we'll go handle this real quick. Actually, I need to turn this air conditioner back around. We can put air pressure. It's don't have too much time for the air to leak out. Cool, ain't nobody even up here. This thing, they need to level this freaking parking lot out. All these dang potholes. This is one of my go-tos. It's another one, Pendleton Pike, I like. That was hooked me up. Oh boy, boy, boy. What the hell are you doing? You can't come this way. What are you doing? Oh. That came just in time. I'm the first one here, and there's already 4 people here, 2 there and 2 on the inside. That's a big old puddle. That's a big old puddle. What if I just dropped my damn phone? Alright. So, last time I went on a tow truck, I waited 3 hours with my Tahoe. Battery went dead, right? And I had called roadside assistance for this to get it towed up to the rental place, to see if they would fix the tire or whatever. But they said that I was responsible for it, but don't you dare pull out. But I already had called roadside assistance, right? And they was like, yeah, it'd be about a good hour before somebody get up there. I'm like, all right, cool. That's a big ass pothole. So I just aired it up and drove it up to the tire place. And while they taking the tire place off, the tow truck guy calls and says he's outside my house. Dang, that was pretty quick. So, yeah. Right now, everything's fine, and yes, I'm heading back home. Well, I actually need to go out west. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright, let me think. Alright, the guy over in service, he just called me. He said my truck is ready. Get this stuff in I won't forget. So I'm gonna head up there now to pick it up. I was gonna stop and try to clean this car out a little bit. I mean, it's not too terrible. That was a dumb idea. Shit. It's not too terrible. Probably on E by the time I get there, but I'll let them deal with that since I'm gotta come out of pocket somewhat. Making sure I got everything I need. I think. Oh shit. Thank you. I'm gonna show you how this thing drives itself. When my hand's not on the steering wheel. Make sure. It pops that meshes up. Keep your hands on the steering wheel. Do that and just let go. Earlier it was braking on itself. I just push this button and it records itself. Now I got this to keep my distance. Oh, it's not doing it. Oh, it's on the steering wheel. But yeah. Especially if I set cruise control, it's pretty dope. I know for sure I'm not coming back this way. Get that. I'm taking the straight way. I ain't sitting in there. I hate traffic. It's freaking rush hour too. Look at that. 4th, yeah, that's rush hour. Get all that. Alright, I'm up here. I'll probably park this outside. Point of me taking it in. So watch out for that. People coming around. Let's get it back. Make sure nobody's coming. Go around here slow, peek, and go. Hopefully it's a parking spot. Where's mine? Oh, I'll park right next to mine. There it is. So I'll park sideways. Tell you what, it feels good to be back in here. I just gotta clean some stuff out. Ah, it feels good to be back in here. Everything's still in here. Go over y'all. Tell y'all everything that was wrong. Engine concern, customer states there's a ticking noise coming from the engine. Please confirm and advise during inspection. Found possible lifter tick on right bank. In order to proper service teardown is request. That was him. All right, so here's what they replaced. Gasket, bolt, 1 gasket, 10 bolts, 2 rods, says 2 guides, 16 lifters, 2 more gaskets, 5 more bolts, 8 more gaskets, 2 pipes, a seal. Okay, now here's the big boys. I still hear the damn tick. I thought I'm hearing stuff. So it goes away. All right. They replaced the head, 4 injectors. They replaced the coolant, oil filter. I'll say that's 8 quarts of oil. So they redid the oil change, a rail, coolant, seal, nut, and a core return. They replaced the belt. They had the rental in there. Came up to $350. Trying to see what else is in here. They checked the tires. They checked my battery. They checked my brakes. Checked my horn. So they did the whole 9 yards on everything. So, I mean, check this engine out. All right, let's see. I still hear ticking noise. No, I'm not tripping. Yeah, I still hear it. I guess I just drive it and see what it sounds like when I get home, because I'm pretty sure I haven't drove it yet. They give it time for the oil and all that to circulate around and stuff. If not, I'm bringing it right back up here. Let me head home. Make sure I got everything. I think it's all in my pocket. It's all in my pocket. All right. Fucking no, I knew I wasn't tripping. Look at this. Take it right back up there too. It's always something, boy. Back in the rental. I swear, man. Which way you going? Yeah, you backing up. So I was parked over here, right? And I said I heard the tickle noise, right? I was all right, I'll probably drive, it'll go away. So as soon as I take off, about to get on the highway, pick up some speed, my engine light pop up. Then my traction control light pop on. Then my engine light started flashing. Then it started driving rough. I was like, either they ain't put the oil in here or what, but that only indicates a misfire. When it does that, then you're not slowing down. So I dropped it back off and he put it right back in this rental. So they let me go. All right, I'm coming from the south side of Indy to meet up with my buddy. I gave him his rest of his stuff from his install. So the dealership just called. They said my truck is ready. They said it was a hose that wasn't hooked up, vacuum hose that wasn't hooked up. That's why I was acting like that. Said the guy drove it for a good distance. Said everything's fine. So heading back up there now. I got a 25-minute drive till I get there and get over. Let's go see if this sucker's ready. All right, let's see. Ticken's gone. All right, let's try this again. Last time I heard a ticking noise when I was inside. No radio. Okay, it's quiet. All right, bet. Let's see when I get on the highway. All right, I made it home. I did some pretty good driving around. I don't hear no ticking or anything. Everything drove fine. It's quiet. I rev it, no ticking or nothing. So it's pretty much it's a brand new, it is a brand new cylinder head on here. So, yeah, I guess I'll hook the music back up this weekend. If I ain't gonna do it just yet, I'm gonna drive it tomorrow, see how I do. Then I'm gonna hook the music back up. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, I got it in the garage. Cleaned it out. Still need to order some floor mats. So I got the wire. It's all raveled up right there. Pop that off. Get my drill and stuff out. That's stuff I'll probably do on the weekend. I still got my ground wire right there for the battery. Then I still got the 3 batteries right here. I just need to order, I think it was a 48 to replace that battery. Here's the factory tray. If I come back here, I need to let my seat forward. Feels good to have this back, honestly. I got ground wire and all that still underneath there. Still got my HDMI cord. Come back here. This is what I needed. I still got my thing in there. So that's what I probably do when I get off. Probably go up to buddy shop and get an amp rack built. So here's the speakers, ZVX. I can move this out the way. So got this on there. Oh, this is trash. Let's just do the trash. It's a cheese here. Yeah. Get out the way. Got this boy. I want another one of these. If I get another one, I can hook up one of my 12Ks. I got these posted for sale. I got that posted for sale. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta remember to call Bob at American Base, see for a recon, because this is an XFL and this is a Genesis, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same. I would say this is a little bit taller by a few inches, as y'all could see right there, but the bass is the same. This is different, but if the XFL can fit in here without rubbing or anything, then I'll go ahead and get them both recon. I'm just gonna take this boot off, get a plain blue. Oops, excuse me. You hear that? Still got my ZD5s here. I'm gonna hold on to these. These are my signatures. I'm gonna hold on to those. Then I got my level 5s, DC. I'm gonna hold on to those and hold on this for right now. I do want another vehicle. I'll probably get like another Blazer or something. That way I can do a big build, because I'm not gonna do a lot in here, pretty much. So I still want to use my 3rd row seat, but that's pretty much it until the weekend. And I throw the sound system back in here. I just want to drive it a full day with nothing to hook up, see how it is. It's straight. I need a bath. But hey, till next video.